Greetings, Johnny Linoleum here. Today we're going to take a look at the Icon half-inch drive digital torque wrench. Take a look at the box, 12.5 to 250 foot-pounds. Flex head digital angle. As you can see, measures in foot-pounds, inch-pounds, newton meters, kilogram meters, and also does angle. The model number is DATW 12-250. Calibration certificate, 72 tooth, lifetime warranty. The box. The usual Icon torque wrench box, the plastic, and it's got the plexi window in it that you can look inside. Now here we go. This is it. This appears to be a Cornwell CTG 5000 series dressed in Icon clothing, and that's fine. The Cornwell goes for $650 while the Icon $350. The fit and finish is very nice. I'm very impressed with it. It's accurate within 2% over and under clockwise, 3% over and under counterclockwise. Now what do I mean by that? Well, when I set this thing up for my tires on the Kia, that's 85 pounds. It's got a 2% accuracy range. So 85 minus 2% is 82.3. I'm sorry, excuse me, 83.8. And 85% plus is 86.7. So if I fall anywhere between 83 and 86.7, it's accurate. It's within spec. It's a little over 27 inches long, a little over 4 pounds. Now, comes with the manual. Read it, it doesn't hurt. And a certificate of calibration. The menu itself is easy to work. It's so easy I don't even have to show you. It'll take some time. Basically, it's just hit the menu button and you got your up and down and select which item, and hit the menu button again and you can adjust anything. It's great. Now, let me show you the best feature of this thing. I've got it set for 85 foot-pounds. Now if you watch, in addition to seeing the lights here, they'll also come across the top, which is great. So when you're in your stance, you don't have to lean to the left outside to look and see what the torque range is. You can concentrate on doing the push. You can see the lights. Now we'll go green. That's it, 85.9. One thing I don't like about this, it takes about 10 seconds for this to reset. Here we go. $85.2. One of the things I like about this is you've got a lot of control. I'm going to come down this time. I'm going to get the one green light and hold it there first. Oops, sorry. 85.7. You also feel the vibration. I'm very impressed with this unit. I think you will be too. Some of my results. At 85 pounds, it averaged 85.4. At 140 pounds, it averaged 140.8. And at 200 foot-pounds, it averaged 200.03. Definitely don't pay original price for this thing. Don't pay full price on anything in Harbor Freight. Wait for a good sale, 20-25%. If you're really serious about stuff like this, this is something to consider. I think it's that good. Well, thank you very much.
Bye-bye.